In 2016, Northwood School moved into a brand new building on its North London campus and wanted a cutting-edge IT infrastructure to match. The challenge was delivering a high-quality, reliable IT system to a stringent budget in a very tight timeframe. The school needed experts with the capability to manage such a technical project, so they asked Blue Sky Systems to come on board and make it a reality.
Our new school was a £35 million project. We broke ground in April 2015 and welcomed our new students into the school in September 2016.
Our brief was to install everything from desktop PCs and interactive whiteboards to Aruba wireless access points, servers, networking and cabling. To achieve it, we installed virtual desktops with our own hyper-converged hosting platform behind them. An extremely flexible system, it makes it really easy to add more capacity and upgrade seamlessly as the school grows.
Our need for an IT system was twofold. One, we wanted to develop the way in which IT is integrated into teaching and learning. And two, we wanted to develop the level of engagement of our students through the use of IT in their education.
Virtual desktops are highly cost-effective, giving students and teachers access to the software they need for effective learning from a central server, without it having to be installed and kept up to date on every single machine. Each of the 329 hard glass monitors has its own 10-zig Zero client, giving students and teachers access to their personal virtual desktop. Mounted to the back of the screens with wires tucked out of the way, the 10-zig Zero clients are small, tower-like objects that connect the PC to the internet, providing all the software to the users from a central point. The screens themselves have thick glass as hard as sapphire, making them almost indestructible. And we even included spill-proof keyboards in the budget, which are so resilient you can actually pour liquid through them and they'll carry on working. This combination of equipment was all designed to make things simple for the Northwood School. It saves them time and money, with a high-spec yet durable system that can handle the usual wear and tear of school life.
The school required a 21st century IT system. As part of that, they were aware of where they wanted to go and what they wanted to deliver at the end of it. However, they weren't fully knowledgeable of what they actually needed to get to that point. As such, Blue Sky Systems helped design the network from nothing to everything. So that was about integrating Google's, integrating Sims, integrating their payment system for their cash tills in the canteen. Everything required a complete redesign for a whole entire new building. This wasn't taking an existing system and just upgrading part of it. It was literally starting from a blank canvas. Interactive whiteboards where they're touchscreen to enable the teachers a new generation of teaching rather than just using touch pens. It's now full-blown immersive for the children to come up and literally touch the board and control what they want to do as part of their learning. To then the wireless system, the IT system, and then actually the servers in the back end to help generate all the power and deliver exactly what they needed. As part of that, we went with Zero clients that were provided by 10-zig. 10-zig are a massive manufacturer to us that support us and maintain the service level agreement we have to maintain. As part of that is a central management console that helps us push out the configuration to all the clients on site from a simple click of a button. Not only does it save a vast amount of time, it also makes sure and guarantees that every single thin client has the exact same configuration. As part of the thin client deployment, the main purpose for that wasn't just the thin timescales as well. It was also to help the IT engineering resource maintain an adequate level of support to the end users rather than maintaining an IT system. Personnel can simply upgrade or install additional software during the day and then deploy overnight ready for the next working day. So the simple reason is the turnkey solution is extremely short and productive for them on site. People think about wireless in terms of coverage. Coverage isn't also the only thing you have to think about. It's also about capability and the amount of bandwidth you offer to the classroom. As part of that, in the modern day where almost every single child has an iPad, a phone, the teacher has a phone, the amount of bandwidth that's required is only ever increasing. We use Aruba to back our engineering, for the simple reason being that they are one of the leading manufacturers, and they offer us the ability to deliver a system that not only are we confident actually deploying, but also something that we know for a fact the customer will forever enjoy and get the full flexibility and capability out of it. As part of the solution, Blue Sky Systems opted to go for a thin client-based system using VMware View. The reason for this choice is that the old-fashioned way of having standard desktops using SCCM, MDT or any of the bulk deployment tools does actually require a huge amount of engineering resource for deployment. Now, not only was the building on a very tight time schedule from being nothing to fully built, the IT systems had an even shorter time frame. As such, from day of handover of the building to the day of the children moving in, we had 9 days to deploy the entire system. We had to deploy 55 projectors, 87 wireless access points, and 320 machines in total.
From day one, Blue Sky were exceptionally professional. They came in and worked with me and the school to develop the type of infrastructure that we wanted. A budget was set and they delivered on their promises within the timescale required and within the budget set.
Blue Sky Systems is all about technical ability and quality of delivery. As such, that's shown throughout the whole of this project, and right down to the delivery within the 9 days. It's about the SLA and delivery of our time schedules and making sure what is wanting to be delivered is achieved.
Over the next 5 years, Northwood is set to grow dramatically, with student numbers planned to rise from 550 to 1,100 students in the new building. So we've future-proofed their IT system, making it simple to expand and grow with ease. It's a solution that's worked wonders for Northwood School, and it all came down to understanding what the client needed and having the technical skills and capability to get on with it quickly and effectively.